Floor manager to number 1 to
Yale, pull-up game. And first ball na po. Rally 5. First flat for number 1. Go.
number 9.
Number 9. Silipin mo Douglas. Lumalakit. Mundo, pull-up game. Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Karaamid 2024 para sa laban ng Abra vs Tabuk City. And here's jump ball. And first ball mapupunta sa Abra, late 5. First blood for number 1. And number 21.
City, number 20.
And here's Bio. Attacking the rim, bounce pass, pull up J, basket. Ibababa ang bola.
Okay, Abra. Number 74 to number 1. 3-point attempt. Wala. Abra again for the rebound. 74.
Number 1 again for
3-point attempt. No good. Nakuha ng Abra. Yes. 16 City.
Master. Kapal. In and out. Rebound pa rin. Baligon.
Pinasa. Intercept. Pinasa. Nice. Floor manager to number 1 to
Yale, pull-up game.
Yes.
And here's Mundo.
Okay, pinasa sa number 6.
So right.
Yes. Right. Silver to number 1. Abra.
Sa baba, no basket. For the inbound, bounce pass there. Kick to number 1, titira sa
3-point attempt, no good.
Rebound.
Tabuk City for the rebound. Silver to number 11. Number 1. Abra. Pinasa. Steal by Tabuk City. Sunay. Closing the ball. Number 4. To number 11. Number 4. Turn to shoot.
Apuya for 3.
Wala po. Di pumasok. Abra again.
Titira.
Oh.
Oh!
Number 9.
Pilihan ng Abra, number 4, Sasinyas. To number 11, nabutan ng bola. Pilihan ng 3.
Tres. Bang! Lucky bang! Bring the ball to number 11.
Number 9,
Number 9.
ang Abra.
Oops, Philippine Lemon Douglas. Tumalak.
6. City.
Mundo. Nakalusot. Mundo. Pull up game. And use number 4. Setting the play. Apuya. To number 9.
Number 4 ng Abra.
Apuya.
Matras.
Inside.
Sa loob. Mata ng kapanan.
Ball deflected. Pinasa kay Milyare. Basket and 1. Milyare. Shot clock. Bounce pass. Offensive foul.
Number 4 ng Abra. Punta ng bola to number 9, 11 to number 4. Biglang sumagsak. Natapalan ulit. To number 9, long pass. 23.
Play the win shot.
Ang siklo. Ang number 9 ng Abra. Number 4.
Apuya.
Number 4 to number 9. Sa labas, 51. No good. 51 ulit. To number 9. Number 9 sa 11. Number 5. Long shot. No good.
Two pass break.
Long pass. Baseball pass to number 4. Good for 2.
And Tabuk City up.
Number 1 to 23. Dribbling the ball to number 9. Ultimate court.
Makakalutot. Mundo all back. Basketball to Apuya. Pass back Apuya.
Number 4 to number 9. Ikot ng bola. Biglang sumagsak sa gitna. Quarter shot. Good for 2. 1 minute 43 seconds.
Attacking the basket. Side step and fire. Mundo wala. Put back shot. Binatamo. Rebound.
Balsa. At the midcourt. Number 1. Ikot sa gitna. Acrobatic shot. Long shot. No good. Mounted by Tabuk City.
Tumira. Wala. Put back shot.
10 seconds.
Unsports fan life. For the inbound. Tumira.
Malakas. Nakuha pa rin niya. Tumira. 1.2 seconds.
1.2 seconds. And that's
Time. Sa
Milyari.
gitna, 11.
Yan,
Good for 2, number 11. Oh. 23, Plaza. Sa gilid, kay number 20. Barbara. To number 9, sumagsak. Pinasa bigla kay number 14. Sa gilid. Sa gitna, number 11. Malakas.
For the inbound. Oops, sa loob. 5. Basket and 1. Nag-flex pa. It's number 1.
Pinakaliwa. Tuloy ng defense.
Apuya.
To number 1.
Pass
Lolo
inside.
pass sa loob. Natapalan. Number 1 ulit. Good for 2. Number 1. Number 1. 4. To number 1. 4. Sa gitna. Tumas sa gilid. To number 11. Chance shot.
Milyari.
Good for 2. Deadlock. 29. Number 1.
Sa 3.
Number 4.
One pass to the middle. One dribble.
47. Good for 2. Number 47. Na-intercept yung number 1. Malakas na lang. 16.
Oh!
Kinaliwa.
Beautiful.
Number 4. Abra. Sa loob. Pabanda rin. Number 11. Pasok. 4 minutes 54 seconds.
It's number
Number
40.
14 ulit. To number 1. To number 47 again.
Part. Mali.
Good for 2. Number 40. Intercepted by number 6. Kinaliwa. Malakas. To number 22. Tumagal. Number 14 ulit. Floater shot. Malakas. Agawan ng bola sa gitna. Number 1. Long pass to number 51. Good for 2. Number 50.
It's number 14. To number
Number
1.
1. Tumira ng
Long 2.
malayo. Wala. Number 6 ngayon.
Oh, Filipino shot. Binato. Rebound. Long 2.
Number 20 ulit. Tapos.
One bounce. Fire.
Tumalong na naman si number
Sa 3.
in and out. Bola ng Tabuk na yan. Nalibaw ni number 6. Sa gitna, Umarano, Tumiras. Pasok, number 6 of Tabuk. 2 minutes 43 seconds. 2 minutes 42 seconds.
Side step po eh.
Oops. Shot. Number 10 ng Abra. Number 6.
Baligod.
Rigas. Sa gitna. Nakita. Number 16 again. The flyer.
Number 5, pass there. Number 6, Lundo. Pass to Baligod, bounce pass, pull up J.
Last seconds.
At the middle, fires off the glass, basket for 2, binawi ang seconds for Team Abra. Nauna na. Pinasa there, Milyari for 2. And it's number 16. Baligod. Baligod attacking the rim. Diretso, lays up. Wala. Rebound ngayon, number. Pass break. Kick sakto. Tinira. Basket for 2. Number 22, one-on-one. Side step. Rebound. Mundo for 2.
Nangyayari ko nagsasabi ng management. Thank you.
Abyog.
Number 6.
Abyog.
Summa-extend. Maparin niya yung bola.
Nakakasin niya Apuya. Apuya, hinintay pa yung guardia. Basket for 2. Pass inside. Perimeter shot again. Wala. Rebound. Apuya, nakalusot. Apuya, tuloy-tuloy. Lays up. Apuya, basket for 2. And here's number 16, Baligod. Baligod. Kick to fake. Clutch. Maagaw dito ni Apuya. Baligod. Alley-oop pass. Oh, basket and one. And it's number 4 to number 5. Pass to number Milyari for 3. Wala pa rin. Baligod. Baligod. Oop, iniwan. Pass inside. Gandang pasa. And a finish. Apuya. Pass inside. Off the glass. Basket for 2. Ang Mundo. Pass back to Mundo. Mundo attacking part. Mundo for 2. Apuya. Apuya pass there. Off the glass. Pasok yan kay number 1. Baligod. Didiskarte behind the back. Iniwan. And fire. Very easy basket. Baligod. Apuya. Bang! Apuya! And here's team Tabuk. Abyog. Abyog stop. 10 seconds to shoot. Bounce pass inside. Lays up. And a basket for 2. Pass to the middle. Number 10. Kakaldag. Titira sa gitna. Basket for 2. And Abyog attacking the basket, bounce pass. Number 23 pull up J, basket for 2. Yeah. Apuya didiskarte. Pinasa number 11, pinabitin pass, basket. Stop. Fires Mundo. Ang Mundo ko. Number 47 ngayon. Kakaldag, floater, wala. Rebound, umikot pa, fires. Milyaris there for 2 points. And here's Team Abra. Number 1, chest pass. Fires for long the 3. Bang! And there's a foul inside. Good. Si number 30 sa 3. Di nakabawi. Rebound, Baligod, put back shot. That's Baligod. Good. Didiskarte dito.
20.
20 seconds. Atake bigla, kick outside, matatapikan, titirahan, rebound, put back shot by Baligod. 10 seconds. Pass inside, na libre fake. Yali, block. Oh, easy basket. Bayog, stop. Matatapikan. Pass there. Oh, makukuha ng Team Abra. 1 versus 2 behind the back pass. Ang gandang pasa. And finish by... And here's Baligod. Oop, di diskarte. Passes to the middle. Take. Fires. Wala, number 51 the rebound. And it's number 1. Nakalusot. Pass inside, number 47. Pinabitin pa, wala. Rebound pa rin. Basket and 1. For the tie. Ties the game. Baligod steal. Baligod. Didiskarte. Baligod. Atake. Passes to the middle. Libreng-libre. Basket for 2. And number 1. Dribbling the ball. To number 9. Atake. Pass to Gedli. Number 51. On the glass. And number 22. Spin move. Oh, butata. Sa gitna. Baligod. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Number 22. Bounce pass outside. Kick to number 51. Titira yun. Off the glass. Basket for 2. And his Team Abra passes inside. Oop. And for the inbound, number 11, Milyari Page. Fires. Oh, the friendly. Baligod. Ginata. Aatake ngayon. Fires. Basket. Mapa-defense ka talaga sa laban ng Abra at Tabuk. Sa 3. 2. Strong. And here you go, Team Tabuk for the tie. And ties the game. And here's Baligod. Tinasa, dito kay number 9, pull up J. Wala, battle for rebound. Makukuha ng Team Tabuk. 4-3. Sa 3, mabawi. Wala, rebound. Tinataok. Over, nakalusot, pull up J. Wala. Rebound number 1. Kuya. Puya, basket for 2. It's number 9, Mundo. Mundo, pull up J. Wala. 5. Basket for 2. Fires, basket. Backdoor inbound. Pass there, spins. Lays out. Milyari. Milyari. Number 1.
10 seconds to shoot.
Shoot. Spin. Number 47, perimeter shot. Basket. And his last 2 minutes. Mundo nakalusot. Mundo. Here's Baligod. Pass back, Baligod. Good.
1 minute.
Balikod.
And the shoot.
For the inbound. Mount inside stick. And pumasok yung first throw mga idol. Hindi pumasok yung huli.
50.
Bola. Hoop traveling. Kapuya for the inbound. Number 47 attacking the basket. Kicker. Oh! Uy! Lagi doon pa. 1 second left.
40.
Hoop.
25.
Libre.
23 seconds. 20 seconds.
Part of the glass. Wala.
15.
Kapuya for the inbound. Bang! Basket and one! Congratulations! Team Tabuk!
Congratulations, everyone.